exchange. You, the inventor, are sharing your idea with the country, with the world, and publishing it. In fact, you're telling the country, hey, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I invented and how to make it. And in exchange, the government says, okay, for doing that, for being nice and awesome, we're gonna give you up to 20-year monopoly to be the only one that can make, use, and sell that invention for up to 20 years. That is your reward. But you have to give first, and that giving happens before you get the rights. But there are ways to do what's called a non-publication request, and I do mention that below. But for the most part, if you want to seek rights outside the US and go big, go bold, then you've got to file the application, and that is going to require, once you file a non-provisional application, it will get published, usually within 18 months or so of the original filing date. So take a look below, read up on that, make sure you understand and appreciate the public nature of your application that's still pending. Yeah, that's right. We'll take a risk that it gets published and never gets to grant. It could happen, rarely, but examiners might push back and find other reasons why it doesn't actually meet and desire a patent. So, hope this is educational for you. If you have further questions, click on that contact button below and above and schedule a free discovery call with us. Let us walk you through this process, push you at ease. Let us know that we're here to guide you through this process, no matter how difficult it might seem. Everybody have a great day out there. Go big, go bold.